Hello friends, this week I have tried most satisfying and fun-filled Camel's acrylic fluid color art. And I made these two sea waves themed canvases ready to be hanged on my wall for decorations. From last couple of weeks I was sharing my shopping haul videos back to back and that's obviously needed a break. So that's why today's video is an art and craft video for all my art loving friends, especially those friends who wants to try out color pouring art or blow painting art form. So you're watching Sundays with Subhasree and I welcome you to my channel and to this video. Camel have three shades of fluid colors: sunset, aqua and monochrome. I have bought this aqua series of fluid color last month and I was waiting eagerly to try it. Today I'll try it for the first time ever in my life. So let's get started. The packet contains one square canvas of 8 by 8 inches. Next is a packet of 4 colors: turquoise blue, light blue, beautiful Persian blue shade and white shade. The packet also contains an apron. We need to wear this apron because if these colors by chance get spilled in our clothes, it will be very hard to wash them off. These colors doesn't go off easily. And I had this disposable hand gloves which I would highly recommend to use because pouring colors can get real messy and we need to protect our hands from this mess. However, these gloves are not included in the packet, but these are very much available online and in local market. And of course I need to spread some newspaper because I don't want my white tabletop to get aqua colors. Now we need one disposable plastic glass where I'll be pouring these colors. I will pour a turquoise blue shade first, then light blue shade, then the beautiful Persian blue shade and finally the white shade. And I'll repeat the same sequence 2 more times. So I have 3 layers of colors which will consume about 3/4 of colors of this bottle. These color bottles are meant for one-time use, but I'll keep 1/3 of the color so that I can use it at the end of the project if needed. However, as per Camel's instructions or tutorial videos, there's no specific proportion of pouring this color. Also, we don't need to follow any color sequence while pouring these colors. We just need to go with the flow. Now there's two techniques to do this. One is simply pour these colors from the cup onto the canvas, but I'll not do that. I will flip the canvas on top of the glass so that I have less wastage of colors. I feel pouring colors directly may end up creating more wastage and mess, but that's my personal thinking. You guys can try the other way around as Camel tutorial video shows. So here goes the flipping. I'll let the cup on this upside down position for a couple of seconds so that the color gets settled on the canvas. Now let's take this cup off the canvas and let the magic get started. Let's start tilting the canvas slowly so that the color travel down the canvas edges properly. I just need to blend these colors at the edges of the canvas with my fingers so that it has a nice finish. These colors are pretty thick, so they travel real slow, so we must give that ample time for the colors to travel to the edges and settle properly. While doing this, we must not even by mistake place our hand on the face of the canvas. That will completely ruin the project. We just need to smoothen the edges of the canvas. If we want to keep this simple, we can leave it here itself. This abstract blue pattern is enough beautiful. But I will continue to add some more craziness to this art, and I will use a thin drinking straw to blow off these colors randomly and make some crazy patterns. Trust me guys, I completely enjoyed this blow painting. You must also give this a try. This is mind blowing. Now guys, you let me know in the comment section below which one you liked the most. This blow painting art or the first one, which was just a simple color pouring art. This needs 2-3 days time to completely dry up, so I'm keeping it on top of 2 glasses so that it doesn't stick to the newspaper, and I can keep it undisturbed for 2 to 3 days in normal room temperature. I saw the cup still had some colors left over. So to use that leftover colors, I'll use a small 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter canvas which was already there in my stock. So I'll do something different for this one. So I'm using a golden yellow color to mark an impression of the sandy sea beach and pour that leftover color on top of it. Since the color quantity was very less, so it took quite a good time to get that color travel all around the canvas. And I had to add some more colors and then repeat the blow painting with straw. And it's done. At the beginning of the video, when I started this pouring art, I was so less confident and unsure about the final outcome. But now I'm so satisfied to see these stunning blue waves. I'm loving this 3D look, and I hope you guys will also hit the like button on this video. If you are planning to try this Camel's fluid art, then don't wait any further. Just buy any of these 3 shades and get started. I'm sure you will enjoy the entire process of this pouring art or blow painting. These kits comes in 250 rupees at Amazon. You can check the description box for the product link. So with that, this is Subhasree signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of home decor or DIY videos. Till then, stay tuned to my channel and have a very happy week ahead. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.